Most creators believe you have to pay expensive subscriptions to use the best AI tools. I believed that too, until I discovered something that completely changed the game. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I personally access the most powerful AI models for text, images, video, code, and research for free, unlimited, no subscriptions, no trials, no credits, no hidden payments waiting to surprise you later. And I know how this sounds. Anyone can promise big things just to grab attention. So instead of just talking, I'll prove it by walking you through real examples. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use the same testing platform that some of the biggest AI companies in the world rely on. And here's the best part. It doesn't matter when you're watching this. Today, next month, even next year. If you follow this method, you'll always have access to the strongest AI models available at that moment. Let's jump right in. When you first open the platform, it looks like a normal AI chat. And yes, you can start typing immediately. But if you do, you're not using it correctly. By default, the system assigns random AI models. That's fine for experimenting, but that's not what we're here for. There's a side-by-side mode where you can compare two AI models and vote on which one performs better. Useful, but still not the secret. The real power lives in direct chat mode. This is where everything changes, because here's the truth most people don't tell you. There is no best AI, only the best AI for a specific task. To generate images properly, click on the image option. Once you do that, the platform automatically filters the models, so only image-capable AIs appear. That means no guessing. Every model you see can generate visuals. You paste a prompt, wait a few seconds, and suddenly you have an ultra-detailed image ready to use. Don't like the result? Switch the model. Same prompt, completely different outcome. You can create thumbnails, logos, presentations, brand visuals, even upload your own face and turn it into a high-click YouTube thumbnail. And that's only images. Now this part is my favorite because I'm not a developer and I don't need to be. You describe what you want. The AI writes the code, runs it, and lets you use it instantly. If something breaks, you don't Google errors. You just say, fix this. Now this feature feels like having a personal assistant. You upload an image, a fridge, a dashboard warning light, an error message, and it explains everything. No payments, no credits, no limits. Now, let's talk about video. This is insane. You generate two videos at once using two different top-tier models. You choose the best one, and only then does it reveal which powerful models created them. All of this completely free. Now, if you want to stay relevant today, you need deep research. Choose the top research model, paste your task, and let it work. Minutes later, you have a structured, detailed answer ready to use. And now, the platform behind all of this, the one used to test and compare AI models worldwide, LM Arena. Once you start using it, you'll never look at AI the same way again.